Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the parental control pin on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Parental Controls. Then tap Change Pin. You will have to enter the current pin before you can change to a new one. Now enter your new pin and then enter it again to confirm it and tap OK. The parental control pin has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.